guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is the first weekend in a very long time that I have had off, and my house shows it. I have clean laundry piling up, dirty laundry piling up, my house is a mess, and so today we are going to tackle all of that. So if you've been needing a sign to get some work done around your house, clean a bit, this is it. We need to start fresh for next week because next week starts a new month, and so why not get it done now? So keep this video on, turn it on up, and let's clean together. First things first of what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put away my laundry. Bring the dirty stuff to the laundry room. My laundry room, as you guys probably saw this morning, is not glamorous whatsoever, but I'm trying to normalize what a normal house may look like, because I feel like you see all over the internet like these beautiful homes, everything's so aesthetically pleasing and all that stuff, and that's just not my house, and that's totally okay. So let's get going on doing the laundry situation. Okay, I know you guys are lopsided right now, but Oreo and I sat on this bed to finish the YouTube video that I was watching. And I just realized her paws are dirty. Now I have to rewash this. I love spring and I love having dogs. Right. But there is still more to do, so let's keep going. It may not look perfect to you, but it looks perfect to me because we're just gonna sleep in it again tonight, and I don't believe in fully making the bed because you're just gonna sleep in it again. And Cole and I use 2 separate blankets because we like our own space and our own blankets. So I think the bedroom for now is done, so let's go downstairs and pop the laundry in. This basement is super creepy. I absolutely hate this room. Also, the furnace is right there. But if you separate your clothes, don't judge me because I honestly could care less. I just throw them in, it gets the job done, they're clean when they come out, and it's fine. I also do not measure soap, I just throw it in. And then I add in some of these beads. All right, looks perfect. Let's go back upstairs. These towels are clean, so I'm gonna go ahead, pop those in my basket that I use for my clothes downstairs, and we'll bring these upstairs and put them away. Now you're looking back. Oh no. Don't let this trip go back. Take me to the point. So I have an air purifier in my house. It's just the Lavoit or however you pronounce it. And I learned that if you turn it on and you use it, you should really turn off like any air fresheners that you have. So I need to go around the house and turn all of them back on. Hey guys, it's been a few days since I talked to you last, but pretty much Saturday I just finished cleaning and then went and hung out with some friends because it was super nice out. And then yesterday, Cole and I just chilled around the house. I just did some crocheting and that was pretty much it for the weekend. But today is Monday and I'm actually wearing one of the pieces that I recently thrifted in my last video. Let me put you guys down just like a little bit lower so you can see my full outfit. Okay, so here's the full outfit. I'm just wearing some baggy mom jeans, the little button up that I thrifted, and then a tank top. And I'm obsessed with this outfit. It'd be so cute with like some jean shorts too, but sadly I live in Minnesota, so it's not that nice out yet. Hopefully soon, but this is the work fit today. I do have a lot of work to do today. I gotta film a sit down video for my business channel, and then I'm gonna start doing some taxes. The absolute fun part about being a small business owner is the taxes. Didn't catch my sarcasm? Well, it was sarcastic. But yeah, pretty much I'll just be doing work all day, and later today I have hockey practice. So I'll pick you up whenever I'm doing something fun or something interesting or whatever. Good morning, you guys. So right now I have my brother staying with me. I can't remember if I told you guys that yesterday or not because my parents are in Mexico. And yesterday it was so beautiful out. It was like the record high for this time of year in Minnesota. And of course today now it's blizzarding. But right now I'm just making like a late breakfast, kind of early lunch. It's like almost 11 o'clock. And I'm just gonna make some bacon with some eggs. And then if someone wants like waffles or something, I'll make that too. For now, I'm just making breakfast, and today is pretty much a snow day. And I just plan to crochet all day. And I'll show you guys what I've been working on after I'm done making breakfast / lunch. So while I'm waiting for the oven to preheat before I make the eggs, and then I decided I'm gonna do hash browns with it. I'm gonna go ahead and empty the dishwasher because that needs to be done because we got a sink full of dishes right now. Okay, so here is our lunch because now it's 11:45. I wasn't expecting it to take that long, but it did. I got hash browns here. I put ketchup on mine. A lot of people think that's super weird and so Midwestern. Let me know if you put ketchup on yours. And then we have eggs. They're very fluffy. I like to add milk to my eggs because I feel like it adds to the fluff a little bit more. Some people also think that's weird. Let me know if you do that. And then very crispy bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna eat this and drink my coffee because I definitely need to start chunking this because I'm getting tired. And then I'm just gonna keep on doing some work. I'm currently making these flowers. They're called forget-me-not flowers and they are so cute but so time consuming because I have to make each flower like this and then take a wire and put yellow yarn and green yarn on it so then they look like this. So then I can put them all together. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my lunch, watch some YouTube or Netflix, whatever, and then get back to work. Okay, so it's been some time since I last saw you guys. I got some work done, but I'm a bit hungry. It's like 3:20-ish right now, so it's not time for like a full dinner meal, so I'm just having like a snack. Something to tide me over until dinner. So I got a bowl of cottage cheese. A lot of people hate cottage cheese or else they love it, and I'm one of those people that just love cottage cheese. I buy like the big tubs and I always eat like a giant bowl of cottage cheese a day. I don't know, I just grew up eating it and I love it. Next, I got some cucumbers. I cut these up yesterday and had them as a snack. They're just plain old cucumbers. And then I just got done cutting these up. Just an orange bell pepper. And I love eating bell peppers just how they are too. I've been trying to eat a bit more healthier, but some days I don't really. And that's totally okay. Like, you should eat what you enjoy and who cares what other people think. Side note, today is Susie's gotcha day. 2 years ago, we adopted Susie and brought her home. Happy gotcha day, Susie. Happy gotcha day, Susie. I'm sure I've never told you guys like the story about Susie, but she was found in a garage in the middle of winter 2 years ago. And she was left with like no food, no water, nothing, just pretty much survive on her own. And she was at the animal shelter for about a month. She lived with like a foster family for like a week or two before we ended up getting her. But I just don't know like really what we would do if she wasn't in our life. So yeah, this is kind of turned into like what I eat in a day, but pretty much all I do is constantly work. That's just my life and I enjoy it. And my work is pretty much like crafting. I love crafting, doing artsy things with different mixed mediums. So I'm going to enjoy my snack and get back to work. There they are. Well, there's my dad. Where's my mom? Oh, there she is. Okay, you guys, sorry, this vlog is literally all over the place. It has just been a super busy week in my house, like watching my brother and stuff, but happy leap day. Also, anyone else hate touching raw meat? But I know you guys aren't gonna see this until after this day, obviously, but today, a bunch of the grocery stores in my town had deals going on, and I got like a 10-pound big thing of meat for only $23. So right now I'm just portioning it up. I got 2 of them because we go through meat pretty fast and we just freeze it. So I'm just portioning it out and I was like, oh my gosh, forgot about the vlog. But this has just been such a busy and kind of stressful week because 1, I have my brother all week. So I'm getting him to hockey practice, from school to school in the morning, making him breakfast, making him dinner. And I'm just not used to that because I'm used to like doing things on my own time. And I also had a launch for my business today. I was launching like my crocheted flowers. So business wise, it's been busy. Brother wise, it's been busy. And then also like I coach hockey. And so it's been a busy week with my own practices and getting my girls ready for this weekend because we are going to regions. We won our district championship against this team that we lost to all season, and we beat them in the championship, which was amazing. So now we go to regions this weekend and we leave tomorrow, and so I still have to pack for that, do things around the house just so like the house is clean, make sure laundry's done. But yeah, right now I'm just packaging up this meat, and then afterwards I need to put away my laundry, and then I'm probably just gonna have a chill night. So I'm putting away my laundry, and I forgot to tell you guys, I got a new phone today. I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is in the sand color or something. It looks like a mixture of white and gray, like a light gray, kind of creamish, I don't know, but it's super cute. But I don't have a case yet, obviously. I ordered one off of Amazon, so I'm hoping it comes tomorrow before I have to leave. And also I have Verizon, and they're running a deal that if you got like a new phone, then you got a free Apple Watch. Free, obviously, $5 a month or whatever, but it's so cute. I'm so excited to wear an Apple Watch again because I used to have one and then it just stopped working because it was like one of the first Apple Watches ever. So yeah, that's my little update. I'm gonna keep going at putting away my laundry, and I'll see you guys soon. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna end my night with some kettle popcorn and reading some of my book. It's called It Happened One Summer by Tessa Bailey, and I've been slowly but surely reading it. Sorry, Susie is right by the camera and the mic, but I've been slowly but surely reading it, and one of my goals this year was to read more books because last year I was on a kick of reading and I sort of just stopped. So I'm hoping to read more books this year, and I'm trying to stay off my phone more when I go to bed, and I feel like this has helped me a lot. But I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.